So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will guide you with how you can make app icons dark on your iPhone. With the latest iOS 18 update, you can customize the look of your iPhone. You can even change the color of the app icons. For example, you can make them light or dark. But for this to work, your iPhone must be on the latest iOS 18 update. So for this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on General and then tap on Software Update. After this, make sure that your iPhone is on iOS 18 or later version. Now go back to home screen. Now to make app icons dark, follow these steps. Long press the home screen and then tap on Edit. After this, tap on Customize. Now you will see different options here. Select Dark and this will make app icons dark. So this is how you can make app icons dark in iOS 18. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.